I walked the road when I realized my death. The road had notes about my petty little past. I grabbed one note and put it in my pocket with your birds. I walked the road until I came close to your house. Your house was floating on my water. I asked one tree to take me in to your house. I took all your birds and I smashed them in my pocket, oh. And then I cut the feathers up and I made myself a beautiful dress. In your basement was a ladder to myself. When we were married, I took this note and put it in my mouth with your words. And then I took all your words and I ate them by the fire. Then I tore the pages up and I made myself a beautiful dress. I spoke your words out in your garden where I built my new house near your flowers, trees and all your words